Come test drive the 2021 INFINITI QX80. If you are in the market for a full-size luxury SUV with all the latest technology to make driving easier, look no further than the INFINITI QX80. It packs a strong engine, excellent manners, and a well-equipped cabin. The QX80 is the most fuel-efficient of its kind. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air suspension, rear, power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, running boards, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.